Transform your ordinary footage into extraordinary scenes with the magic of green screen, right inside Capcut. First things first, open your Capcut app and start a new project. We'll need 2 clips here, your main video footage that has a solid color background, ideally green or blue, and the background image or video you want to replace it with. Go ahead and add your main footage to the timeline. This is the video where we'll be doing the green screen magic. Now tap Add Media again and select the background image or video you want to place behind your subject. Don't add it to the main timeline just yet. Crucially, you need to drag this background onto the timeline so it sits below your original footage. This ensures it appears behind your subject. With your green screen clip selected on the timeline, scroll through the toolbar at the bottom until you find the Cutout option. Inside Cutout, you'll see several options. We want to choose Auto Cutout. If your background is solid and uniform, but for the best results, tap on Chroma Key. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a color picker tool. Tap and drag this eyedropper to the green or blue part of your background. You'll instantly see your background disappear, making your subject appear isolated now. You might notice some edges aren't perfectly clean. That's where the Adjust slider comes in. Adjust the Strength slider to refine how opaque the Cutout area is, and the Shadow slider to blend the edges more naturally. Play with these until you're happy with how your subject looks against the empty space. Once you're satisfied, tap the checkmark to apply the changes, and there you have it. You've successfully used green screen in Capcut to replace your background, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Experiment with different backgrounds and effects to create unique visuals for your projects.